So children, the another type of connective tissue which we are going to study today is the adipose tissue. As I told you earlier that adipose tissue is also a type of loose connective tissue. It is also a type of loose connective tissue which has the jelly like matrix. It also have jelly like matrix, but it is different from the areolar connective tissue. Now let us see how it is different from the areolar connective tissue. So first of all we will see its structure. What is the structure of adipose connective tissue? Basically the adipose connective tissue is made up of the cells present in matrix. As I told you, all the connective tissue are have two parts, matrix and cells, and the cells are present in the matrix. So the cells of adipose tissue are also present in the matrix. The matrix is jelly-like and consists of carbohydrates, proteins and protein fibers, but the cells are different. The cells of this connective tissue are called as adipocytes. The cells are called as adipocytes. And now I'll just draw the structure so that we can understand more about the adipocytes. Suppose this is the single cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. Okay. It have a nucleus at the periphery. Generally we know that the animal cells have the nucleus at the center because there is no vacuole, but the adipocytes are different. They have the nucleus at the periphery, means at the side. The reason is the adipocytes, adipose cells, they consist of a large fat globule present at the center. So this is the large fat globule present at the center, and at the periphery sides cytoplasm is present. This is cytoplasm, this is nucleus. Along with that, the other structures which are present inside the cell like mitochondria, then endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, all are present in the cytoplasm, but most of the space is taken up by the large fat globule. Now what does the large fat globule contains? The large fat globule consists of fats which we eat every day. Okay, it consists of fats. If we have less number of adipocytes, adipose tissue, then we are thinner. Okay, but no person is there which do not have the adipose tissue. Whereas if a person is having large amount of adipocytes or adipose tissue, then the person becomes fatter and fatter day by day. So the fat globule consists of the reserve food material, because we know that we eat the food every day. Some of the food we utilize and some of the food is stored in the body as a reserve food material, and these fat globules are the adipocytes are the reserve food material. It forms the reserve food material which is utilized when we do not eat food or when we are not having the food and we are feeling hunger. Then we get the energy from these fat globules. Clear? So, and as I told you, in between this there is the matrix. Remember, matrix is present in between the cells of the adipocytes. So this is about the structure of the adipose tissue. Now let us discuss where is it present. We will discuss about the occurrence of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is the most abundant tissue which is present in our body. So it is the abundant tissue present in the animal's body. One thing. Second thing, it is present between the skin and muscles. Okay, like the areolar connective tissue is also present there. Okay, and it binds the skin with the muscles and the underlying tissue, whereas this tissue, this adipose tissue is also present between the skin and the muscles, okay, but their function is different. Along with that, it is also present at various body parts, like around the internal organs. Okay, it is also present around the internal organs. Can you tell me why it is present around the internal organs? Because we know that our internal organs are very delicate, and this tissue, it acts as shock absorber. This I will tell you in the functions. This tissue acts as shock absorber, so that, and also it keeps the internal organs at its own place. We are moving, we are walking, and many more things we are doing every day, and this tissue, this adipose tissue, it keeps these organs at their places. Okay, so it is present around the internal organs. Along with that, it is also present in between the skin and muscles and form a layer of adipose tissue. Okay, now it is also present around the eyes, kidney and heart. Okay children, you know that basically our eyes, they are a hole type structure. If you remove the eye, then there is a hole. So this eyeball is at its place, it is protected due to the presence of the adipose tissue just around the eyes. If you will touch your eyes, you will see that here there is a presence of a layer of adipose tissue which protect our eyes. Likewise, the other internal organs like the heart, the kidney. Okay, there also the adipose tissue is present. Now let us see what is its functions. So the functions of adipose tissue is, first of all, it acts as shock absorber. It is present around the organs, delicate organs and other internal organs, and it acts as a shock absorber. Like you have seen, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कार में या बाइक्स में शॉकर्स लगे हुए होते हैं, तो जब भी गड्ढा आता है या कुछ स्पीड ब्रेकर वगैरह आता है या कुछ टेढ़ी मेढ़ी रोड्स आती हैं, तो क्या होता है कि हम लोग उछल जाते हैं उसके ऊपर या कुछ डिसबैलेंस हो जाते हैं, तो हमारी इंटरनल बॉडी को कुछ नहीं होता. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा, आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि कभी कभी जब शॉकर्स ख़राब हो जाते हैं बाइक के या कार के, या अगर आप कभी बस में एकदम लास्ट वाली सीट पे बैठे हो और कभी गड्ढा आया हो, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है हमारे सारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स हिल गए. ओके, तो जिस तरह का काम शॉक एब्जॉर्बर व्हीकल्स में करते हैं, एग्जैक्टली सेम जो फंक्शन है वो एडिपोज टिश्यू हमारी बॉडी में करते हैं. दे एक्ट एज शॉक एब्जॉर्बर. ओके, तो हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को इसी तरीके से प्रोटेक्ट भी करते हैं. Second thing, they act as the fat reservoir. Fat reservoir की तरह ये एक्ट करते हैं. Fat reservoir means, as I told you that कि जब हम लोग फूड लेते हैं, some of the food we utilized for various purposes, but some of the food is stored in the body and it is stored in the form of the adipocytes, that is fat globule. ओके, तो जब भी हमें हमारे पास फूड नहीं होता है, अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती है, हमें ज़्यादा भूख लग रही होती है, हम ज़्यादा फिजिकल वर्क कर लेते हैं, दैट टाइम वी नीड एनर्जी, एंड दैट टाइम ये जो एडिपोसाइट्स होते हैं, फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स होते हैं, ये क्या होते हैं, ब्रेक होते हैं और इनमें से एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 6 when we have studied about the components of food chapter that carbohydrates and fats both are the energy giving food, and relatively fat gives more amount of energy than the carbohydrates, but they accumulate in the body and make us fatty. That is why we do not take more fat. Okay, so when we need food and there is no availability of food or less availability of food, these fat reservoirs, these adipocytes, they act as fat reservoir. They break down and they give us the energy for the work which our body continuously have to do. Then and also you have seen that in many animals like camel, then polar bear, along with that some of the animals which are found in the cold climate, they have a layer of, and whale, they have a layer of fat around their body, which is called as blubber. In camel it is called as hump. Okay, so they provide them food. Along with that, one more thing they are doing to these animals along with us human beings also. What is that third function? जिससे हमारा क्या form होता है? Third function. It acts as insulator. Children, you know about insulator. Insulators वो substances होते हैं जो body heat को बाहर नहीं जाने देते हैं. ओके, लाइकवाइज विंटर्स में यही जो फैट रिजर्वियर के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है कैमल में या पोलर बियर में या कोल्ड क्लाइमेट के एनिमल्स में या व्हेल में, ये और ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में भी ये किसकी तरह एक्ट करते हैं? इंसुलेटर की तरह एक्ट करते हैं और हमारी बॉडी की हीट को लूज नहीं होने देते, बाहर नहीं जाने देते, और स्पेशली ये हमें कब प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? दे प्रोटेक्ट अस इन विंटर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द अनदर फंक्शन ऑफ एडिपोज टिश्यू. नाउ नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज दे protect the internal organs, as I told you earlier also, and very importantly they gives the shape to various body organs. हमारे बॉडी के बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स को, इवन हमारी बॉडी को, ओवरऑल बॉडी को हम लोग को क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं? इट प्रोवाइड्स द शेप. यू हैव सीन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ वेरी लीन एंड थिन पर्सन. इट डज नॉट हैव अ स्पेसिफिक बॉडी शेप. पूरा स्केलेटल सिस्टम ऑलमोस्ट दिख रहा होता है. वेयर एज इफ यू विल सी अनदर पर्सन विच हैव अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ एडिपोज टिश्यू, it provides the shape to various body organs. Like we have cheeks, so it gives the shape to the face. As like the different body organs, it provides the shape to the various body organs, which is very much important. Okay, so this is the function of the adipose tissue. Children, now we have studied two types of loose connective tissue which have jelly-like matrix, that is areolar connective tissue and adipose connective tissue. Next time we will study about the another type of connective tissue with jelly-like matrix, tendons and ligaments. Till then, bye.